Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Samsung. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down just a bit, tap on Display section and scroll down again. Over here, click on Font Size and Style. Swipe left or right on this font size slider. Pick the best size for you, and when you're ready, click on the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!